incident?
Nongrah incident. This child, 4-year-old child, she went missing since yesterday on Sunday. At about the parents came to know that she had gone missing at about 8:45 and had lodged a missing report in Jingshah police station. Search was made in the whole locality, along with the VDP, locality members, family members, police, dog squad, and all that. But the child was not found, and well, the search continued. And this morning, one of the laborers working in a construction site close by about 100 meters from the house found the body. After finding the body, the forensic team had been called and all that. Body was lifted from there and taken to Nongrah. Post-mortem has been conducted. We are awaiting the report, and family members, actually the post-mortem has been done today. The family members have gone to the police station to file a complaint. Case is being registered. An SIT will be formed on this case to ascertain the facts of the matter and to also zero down on the culprit or culprits. So investigation is will actually, once we delve more into this case and get the forensic reports and other analytics, then we'll be able to get a clearer picture of things. See, right now, once we start probing, then the picture will be clearer.
So it was found in under construction building.
Under construction.
So you suspect any workers there?
See, the workers, actually, there's a worker who found the body in the morning. So we have actually examined the person. We'll be examining more people as the investigation progresses.
So after she went missing, was there any report?
No, after she went missing, alerts were sounded everywhere to all our police stations, to all units outside. And in fact, we had given out a lookout notice everywhere, thinking that she might have been lost somewhere.
So who will be heading the SIT?
The SIT will be headed by SP City and overall by me.